So here we are, week 13, 21st November, 3 weeks left. Yep. And for us, it's 1, 2, 3, 5 sessions. Okay, scaling networks. So we spent some time here at first. We'll take a look at that. OSPF. I got some work done on the labs. Unit exams. We have to decide what we want to do. If we want to include those, maybe take them outside of class, but. Setup for that class lab. This isn't complete, but it's pretty close, and we had a couple workstations on VLAN 50. We had just a couple issues when we cut this link here, but Chris McDowell was able to go in and make some adjustments, so we're going to look at that one more time on Tuesday, and then that'll be wrapped up. And then we have to look at setting up some we'll take a look at EIGRP, set up a couple things to finish that up, and we're working on OSPF to finish up the year, and I think we'll be good. And that's it.